Hello guys, so I'm at Autologue finally, and this is a huge workshop. That's Mukul in the Skoda.
What's up?
Hi Mukul, how are you?
Very well, very well. Welcome to the Autologue workshop.
And this is our friend Naminder.
Hello.
He does a lot of work for us on a bike. This is the serene place around Autologue. I'll add a clipping after this one where I'll show you what's being done on my bike inside. That's my son who's walking in again. It's a small place where they keep their pets. We've got some parrots. That's Arnab's bike, the one I had put when I had installed Zana saddle stays and Zana guards on. He's also got the Autologue visor. He likes it with the stickers, so he's done that. Okay, so I'll continue with the video of the two bikes, the TSO one and my bike. So this I'm inside the Autologue workshop, and we are the two Dominars here that are being prepared for some touring accessories. I already have put the video of my bike, which is on the left, and this is the TSO bike that belongs to Deepak Kamath sir. That sir was riding on the TSO. This is here for some mods on it too. And this is the whole Autologue workshop. There's some RC under some work. There's some parts for Dominar and RCs and R1s. Some other bikes here, KTMs and Hero Impulse, ISD. Some other bikes. So this is actually a fun place to be at. I really like often to come here. Peace of mind, absolutely serene outside. A paradise for any biker or a car lover who wants to modify his bike. That's a FZ150 being worked on. They also carry out some car and paint works and all. That's the paint booth out there. That's the office out there.